Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you an exciting order. I've been waiting for this for quite some time. We've had a strike here with Canada Post, and because of that, all of our products were delayed. This was actually trapped there. It had been shipped quite some time ago. This comes from Beebeecraft. And I'm glad that I actually ordered some things for Valentine's Day because there's some Christmas things here as well. The Christmas things are still good because I'll be working on my December daily and I will build a charm off the edge for that. But this I actually ordered in because I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day swap. It will be 14 different items, and my idea was to have actually 14 different bags. These little drawstring bags are going to be perfect. I'm so glad to have these, and it'll be so cute to be able to fill these with gifts. So let's see if I have enough to do Valentine colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 maybe, or 9, 10. Based on the collection I'm going to be using, I might do that one. And I need some other neutrals. 10, 11, 12. So then I'm going to have to either bring in 13, 14 or 13, 14. I don't think that's going to be the right match. These are going to be good for fall. Probably those ones. So based off of the collection that I'm going to be using for that Happy Mail, I think that maybe these 14 different ones will be good, although I might make some things like a 3D item that don't need a bag, and in that case I could remove a couple of them. Maybe I'll just do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in bags so that they're all matching nicely. So anyways, that's my plan for an upcoming Secret Cupid swap. I've got those fantastic bags. I will leave links down below, as well as a coupon code if you are interested in finding any of these items for yourself. You'll be able to easily follow the link. So these I've picked to make pens, and you can already see how perfect this is going to be. The set was specifically revolving around breast cancer, but I wasn't going to use these charms for this particular instance, but everything else in here was exactly what I was looking for to create Valentine's Day pens. So I will take out some of the ones like this and just use the plain pink. I can mix it in with some of my own beads that I have even right on my desk here. I have lots of different bubblegum beads that I've gotten over the years. So we've got those gorgeous ones, and look at these beautiful sparkly gems. And then these spacers, these are just going to be fantastic. I'm so glad that I ordered these. Whenever I would order the pen sets, I would find that there were a wide variety of colors, but never enough pink. So now I will actually have an entire set of a variety of different colors of pink. So if we take these out, you'll be able to see what I mean. And here we have all of the different colors of pink. We have some ombre. We have some almost like metallic looking ones. So that was one whole set. And that is going to give me everything that I need to make, gosh, there's a dozen pens in there. So I'm really glad about that. So I will link that down below for you as well. And now we're getting into probably the Christmas things. Comes with a nice plastic case. And again, I will use this for my December daily. I recently posted a flip through of my December daily. So if you want to take a look at that, I will leave it linked for you at the end here. But these are going to be perfect alongside that album. I have actually a decade of December dailies that I have shown on my channel, as well as how I go about creating them. I often create my December dailies after the holiday, so it's fine for me to get these products in after the fact. And then more Christmas products, but they don't have to be exclusive Christmas products. Wow. Oh, I would have loved to have had these earlier to create some bookmarks and things, but you can see how I can actually use these for my December daily dangle, as well as I can pair this with some pink beads, and I can use the whites and the reds and the pearls to create some Valentine's things as well. Absolutely adore bubblegum beads. I have so many different packages, and they're just one of my favorite types of materials to work with. I'll show you what I mean. I have created this junk journal from Daphne's Diary, and here is one of the bookmarks that I have created off the side, and it just adds a perfect touch to the edge of my album. One side's balanced off with all these gorgeous trims, and then this is really a nice way to frame the album. So that is everything. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you here as part of my scrappy community. And I, like I said, will leave links for you for my December dailies here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.